don't make the same mistakes that I probably made 18 years ago when I had no idea. One of the main questions that people call me for or ask me is how to finish a bathroom, specifically the tile and the tub surrounds. I figured I'm doing 2 bathrooms at this renovation, and I would just go over, step by step how I typically prep the bathroom to get it tile ready. In this picture, you can see the door rock has been installed, and it is ready to put on the waterproofing membrane. The first step I do once the door rock is up is I put on the cement board joint tape, and it's self-adhesive, so I put it on every seam, and if the seam typically in the corners, or if the gap or the seam is a little bit larger than I would typically like, I will put 2, and in some cases 3 layers of the joint tape, just to make sure when I put on the RedGard membrane, it doesn't take 10 coats to get the joint filled. Once the cement board tape is on, my first coat with the RedGard is to hit every seam Okay, so it's been a couple days, everything is dry. We are essentially, it's ready to tile. I just wanted to go over, one step that I do. Totally don't have to do it. I like to go as tight as I can. I'll put this on, trace around, make sure that these are exposed, and then I'll cut. That way I know that I'm as tight as I possibly can get and still allowing full access to the diverter. I just didn't want to mislead anyone by just showing you this and thinking that if it's maybe your first time tiling, that you're going to go this tight, and then by the time you're done you realize, oh crap, what am I doing? Then you're going to have a really hard time once all the tile is on to chisel it off nice and perfect to get there. So I'll just show you what I do real quick, and then, that's that. You may be able to see it a little bit, like right there. Okay, same way there's one on this side. They have to be exposed. So I know I don't have to cut out this whole thing, right? But I just at least want to get here to here exposed. This is just for my guide that I know I don't want to go any further than that. All right, so I'm done. As you can see, you have access to everything inside, and if you can see the little screw hole there and there. The faceplate can now screw on, and you still have access to everything, and there is a guide for the tile, and then I still have as much of this waterproofed as I possibly can. I like to do it. Somebody else will say maybe that's overkill. Somebody else will tell you not enough. Always use some type of cement board. Don't tile over green board. Spend the extra time, put the waterproofing membrane on, make sure you tape it off, get the seams pretty good. This has 2 full coats, and the seams and all the screws got 3 coats. I'm confident at this point that this is good. Anyway, until next time, I will see you guys later. Thanks a lot.